WebFOCUS easily supports access to many databases as well as writing to those databases. So the included and integrated ETL capability of WebFOCUS allow you to write. And if you want to check the capabilities of your adapters, you can go to your Get Data section to see all the available adapters. And I'm planning to write data into my SQL Server database. So opening up SQL Server, I see the configured database adapters in here, or moving back actually on that level. Whenever you want to filter on the available data sources in here, you can filter. You see I've got two different versions connected here. So I've got the Azure database connection in here, ODBC or OLEDB. So I prefer the OLEDB version. So let's move to that one. And I created a bunch of connections to certain databases, one being my logDB in here, which I'm planning to write some log data into. To fully check the functionality in here, I can test the database, of course, if the connection works in general. So it's able to connect to that one. It's a SQL Server 2016. And if I want to test additional capabilities, very important is want to be the capability if you wanted to bulk upload into the database to be able to load more and quicker data. You can select the test bulk load utility in here as well. And whenever bulk load is configured correctly, it's going to show you load successful in here. So that means you're going to be able to use the bulk load capability to load larger amount of data into SQL Server. That's it as a quick check on how to verify if bulk load capability is available for your target database.